Hey, it's that time of the year again when you feel like going out for swimming, sip those coolers, and you don't really have to worry about the suntan because I've figured out a very cool DIY facial for you. For the cleanser, I'm mixing 2 teaspoons of raw milk and using the same spoon, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of rose water. For the scrub, I am taking 2 teaspoons of partially ground sugar. You can also choose to have brown sugar or rice flour. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of honey in that, followed by half a lime. This texture is just about right for my skin, but if you have a more sensitive skin, you can also choose to have smaller granules of sugar. For the face massage, I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. This is freshly extracted from the aloe plant at my house. I'm then adding about 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil and 1 capsule of vitamin E. Aloe vera feels very soothing to the skin, especially during the summer. So we will also be using this fresh piece of aloe vera during our massage. For the face mask, I am using 2 teaspoons of gram flour with a pinch of turmeric and then using 1 big tablespoon of curd to whisk it well and make a nice paste. Now let's get started. I've already removed the makeup from my face, but I'm dipping a cotton pad in the cleanser that we made and squeezing the excess. I'll now use this to wipe my face and ensure that my pores are thoroughly cleansed. After this, I'm just using the scrub and using circular motions, massaging it on my face to remove all the dead skin that is there. Let's not forget the neck area at all, and using upward strokes or circular massage, ensure that we are covering all the areas of our face and neck. Rinse the scrub well and pat dry. Now we start our massage. If you use fresh aloe vera like me, sometimes the chunks tend to slip out of your hand, so be prepared to keep some excess if you want to. Use different and gentle strokes to increase the blood circulation to your face. I'm just going through my entire face and using scissor strokes on my forehead and now gently massaging around my eyebrows. This is a very relaxing massage. After about 5 to 7 minutes of massage, I'm taking this fresh aloe vera and cutting it into 2 pieces with the help of a knife. I will now rub this aloe directly to my face in circular motions. This feels so cool naturally. It is such a great way to say bye-bye to all those sunburns. I'm quickly going through my entire face again before we move ahead and apply the face mask. Again, rinse your face and pat dry before you begin with the face mask. You can use a face brush if you want to. Mine seems to be lost somewhere and I was just not in the mood to hunt for it. So I'm using my fingers here. Since this has turmeric and the mask can get a little messy sometimes, ensure not to stain your clothes because the turmeric stains can be hard to take off. And I never like to miss out on my neck and décolletage area. I'm now going to put some fresh cucumber on my eyes and relax. When the mask is about 40 to 50% dry, we are going to start taking it off. The trick over here is not to rinse it off completely, but to massage in circular motion and reveal your fresh skin one step at a time. I have kept a bowl of fresh cold water in my lap and I am just rinsing my hands in it after every wipe of the face mask. Of course, you'll have to eventually rinse out the remnants with lots of water, but keep going till the time you can. I've now washed my face and I'm patting it dry. I'm already feeling super fresh. Have a look at my skin, which feels thoroughly hydrated, nourished, and also wow. Thanks for watching. Lots of love.